Wait, I want to see how many you have.
I'm gonna put each one out at a time.
Yeah, and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, don't swallow, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
Can't swallow them. Don't
24,
swallow 'em. If you do, I'll kick you in the
25,
throat.
20. I don't know how many that was, but there's like 7. Don't choke.
If you throw up, I'll kill you.
I'll kick you in the throat.
Oh, that's disgusting. Please stop. Honey, stop. Connor just. I don't know what the garbage can
I don't
is.
understand. A few more, come on.
Come on, just shove them all in your mouth.
I bet it's harder than it looks.
I don't care. Connor will find a way. You have like some storage in there.
It's like a hamster, you got little pouches.
Yeah, you got little storage pouches.
You're cleaning it up.
Where's
Yeah,
the trash can?
we're gonna leave you.
I'll bring a trash can.
No, we'll just kick you outside in the rain.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
there's
just do
a
that.
trash can's right there. There it is.
Connor, go over by there. Be ready. You almost fell down.
Don't get too wet.
I'll take your phone.
Don't get too wet, he's running in the rain. How is he not
Shut up, Andrew. I said too wet.
Get up.
Close it, lock it.
How do you lock?
It's locked. There you go. Connor, go jump on the trampoline.
Connor! There's no way to hide. Connor! Connor!
Connor,
Go to the trampoline.
go in the shed.
Logan comes back and you in the nuts.
Do you like that?
Alright, maybe we should let. No,
okay.
maybe not, because he's gonna be all wet.
Connor, tip the wagon over and use it for cover. The wagon. No, the wagon.
The wagon!
Oh.
The wagon!
Or there's a wheelbarrow over there. The wagon. Use the wheelbarrow for cover.
No, get.
This is so your plan.
Take your shirt off. It won't get wet.
I wrote that.
Connor, go. There's a shed. Those were good Welch's.
He's still
Oh, look, Connor. There's a little. He's like soaking wet. There's a little table. Connor, go into the table over there, the little blue table. There's a blue table, I think. It's blue. I'm colorblind, I don't really know.
Yeah, it's blue.
It's okay. Yes, it is. Make it work. Or there's like.
Get in the shed, go get in the shed.
Shed's
What if it's locked? He's like,
Shed's always locked.
if he tips the wheelbarrow over, he can just hide under that. He's
I'm
so
gonna keep
stupid.
it unlocked and see how long it takes him to get in.
He can't come back in because he's gonna be soaking wet. I say we give him a trash bag to cover himself up in.
Yeah, do you have a, do you have a trash
Sarah, do
bag?
you have a trash bag he can use to cover himself up?
You sure? Is he crying or laughing?
I think both. No!
Maybe we should let him in.
He's too wet to come in. He has to dry off. He has to wait till it
Where's,
stops.
how is he gonna dry off if it's still
He
raining?
has to wait till it stops.
Wait. Okay. Good point. Good point. Get it. Tell him to get under the trampoline.
He's stupid. He won't listen to me.
Get under the freaking trampoline!
He's going for
Get
it.
under the trampoline!
He's so stupid.
Not on it.
He's wet. You might as well just.
Not on it, under it!
There you go. I don't think that thing holds so much water.
Is it dry under there? Oh crap.
Lock it. Connor, go under that little table. No! You're stupid. Tip the wheelbarrow over. Tip the wheelbarrow
Get under the
over.
wheelbarrow!
Wheelbarrow, not the wagon, you dumbass.
Let me explain. The wheelbarrow!
The wheelbarrow!
It's locked.
Connor, you're stupid as fuck. Get under the wheelbarrow.
The wheelbarrow!
Yes,
It's
you
over
can.
there!
Let him in! Oh my god!
No.
Does he not see it? No, there's lightning.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He freaking jumped.
Connor, take your dog tags off. Take off your dog tags.
No, don't throw him.
And you think it's funny because I'm joking, but I'm not.
Don't go any metal surfaces.
Everything's metal out here.
Except for the grass. The grass is not metal.
Stay low!
Hey, Connor, there's like a little bicycle thing over there. You should go ride on it. And
And it doesn't ride on grass.
Okay, maybe we should
play basketball. Basketball.
There's something to do.
basketball.
It's deflated.
It was flat.
I want it to lightning
Try
like
to
right
dunk.
next to him in the yard. He's in a big puddle.
Oh, you suck.
No.
You're too
Connor, make a temporary hut under the logs.
What?
Oh my god.
Make a temporary hut.
Connor, go around the side and get on the porch and dry off.
Can't do that.
I say we all go in another room and just leave.
Yeah.
All like we just like go in another
Let's all go
room.
upstairs.
Yeah, let's go.
Lock the door. Lock the front door.
He's gonna try and get it. Hurry, lock it.
Got it. Wait, got it. Let's go. We will be back.